The remarkable thing about virtual reality is that it illuminates something fundamental about human consciousness that we've always known but perhaps never truly appreciated. Think back to when you were younger, sitting with a book that completely transported you. Remember how your heart would race during those suspenseful moments, how you'd feel genuine tears well up during sad scenes, how real joy would flow through you when the hero finally triumphed. That wasn't just your imagination running wild. You were demonstrating one of humanity's most remarkable abilities, extracting genuine meaning and authentic emotional experiences from constructed realities. This isn't some form of escapism. It's a testament to your innate ability to navigate between different layers of reality while maintaining authentic experience. When you enter a movie theater, attend a concert, or even participate in a religious ceremony, you're actively engaging in constructed meaning making. You understand inherently that these experiences, while artificial in one sense, can generate real growth, real emotion, and real transformation. As creators of virtual spaces, we bear a profound responsibility. Just as architects have long understood that their work shapes not just physical space, but human experience, we must approach virtual design with the same depth of consideration. Every virtual environment we craft is a form of collective memory in the making, a space where personal and shared experiences will intertwine to create lasting impressions. Think about how medieval cathedral builders used light, height, and proportion to evoke a sense of divine, or how Japanese gardens guide you through carefully orchestrated moments of revelation. In virtual reality, we have these same tools and infinitely more. When you step into a well-crafted virtual space, each element, from the play of light to the flow of movement, should speak to something deeper than mere function or aesthetics. These aren't just environments, they're vessels for human experience. In VRChat, you might find yourself teaching a language to someone from across the globe, using virtual objects and environments to bridge the communication gap. You could explore art galleries alongside people from different cultures, sharing perspectives and insights that transcend traditional boundaries. These spaces become crucibles for genuine human connection, where geographical distances dissolve into meaningful, shared experiences. The power of this technology lies not in its ability to replace reality, but in how it extends the boundaries of your experience. When you join a virtual dance class, your body moves with real rhythm, developing actual coordination and muscle memory. When you practice public speaking in front of a virtual audience, your nervous system responds with genuine butterflies, but in an environment where you can pause, reflect, and grow at your own pace. As designers of these virtual realms, we're not just working with polygons and textures, we're working with moments in time, with light and shadow, with the simple joy of existing in a space. Sometimes the most profound experiences come from the simplest elements. The way sunlight filters through leaves at dusk, how the sound of distant waves bring peace, or how a certain shade of blue might remind you of your grandmother's kitchen. Not every virtual space needs to carry the weight of profound meaning. Sometimes it's enough to create a place where someone can pause, breathe, and find their own connections to memory and feeling. This is the beautiful balance we strike as creators. Having clear intention in our design while leaving room for people to find their own meaning, their own moments, and their own reasons to return. This has been Design Imperative. I'm Robbie. Thank you for watching. This is a new podcast I'm bringing once a week. Hope you guys like it. If you did, please help me out. Share it, comment, subscribe. You know the deal. Anything you can do help. If you really, really like it, coffee link down in the description. I'll catch you guys next time. Until then, stay plugged in, stay connected, stay safe. Ciao, ciao.